Alright, this is Skip at 533. I'm going to show you how to solder really fast. We're using Kester solder 6337. So you do not need any flux with this as long as you're quick at soldering. You hold it level with the pad and you just go to each pad and put solder on each pad. You want a good ball of solder. Once you get it on there, you want to take your wire and you want to expose the end of your wire just a little bit, and you want to solder the end of your wire. Once you get solder on the end of your wire, you lay it to where you want it. Grab you a pair of tweezers, go to the pad, push the wire down onto the pad, and release. That's how quick it is. We'll do it one more time. Put solder on the tip. There's the tip. Doesn't take much. Get your tweezers. Place it where you want it. Push your wire down onto the pad. Release. And there you go. That's how you solder your wires on. Nice, neat, and pretty.